In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off professional mode on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go to your profile, tap at menu and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap at Creator Tools and Controls, and then switch account type. Then switch to personal account. Switch to personal account again. Then wait up to 5, maybe 10 seconds, and then we can go to our profile, and as you can see, professional dashboard is now gone from our profile, and that means that we have successfully turned off professional mode. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.